Hey guys, so welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create AI videos using Kapwing. So first thing, of course, go to kapwing.com and sign in into your account. Now, once you are here on the homepage of the Kapwing, just simply select generate over here at the top. Now from here, just make sure to select video project over here in order for you to utilize their AI feature. Now you will have here three options. You will have use a prompt, which you could generate a script about something, and you should be able to have here some categories and minutes, or you can use an article URL or use your own script. So we're gonna go for use a prompt. So I'm gonna try their feature over here, try sample. The sample will be how climate change is causing extreme weather patterns around the globe. So I'm gonna go for the very minimum 15, and I'm gonna go for informative. Now click on generate script from topic, and from here you could type a follow-up prompt or question in order for you to rewrite the script. So from here, if you don't want, and you will have here multiple categories as well by changing the tone, the duration. Once you are satisfied, click use this script and select the aspect ratio over here. Select the subtitle over here, and you could add a B-roll, and you will have your editing style. We have a B-roll only or persona overlays, and you will have your voice as well. So from here, I'm just gonna go ahead and click generate a video. As you can see, guys, that is great. And from here, pretty much it's like a small editor, which you could change some settings over here. And pretty much over here on the left side as well, multiple categories. And it's like CapCut, so it is easy to access. And once you are done, select export project over here, and you will have MP4. And from here, you could just simply go to the highest free. And if you want to go pro, you will have these options and select export as MP4. There you go. I hope this video helped you understand more. Thanks for watching.